So what can Luminar Neo do for you? Let's see. First, let's see the 2 video that Skylum release. Okay, what can Luminar Neo do? The first is Dust AI, that is remove dust on photo with clicks. You can see in the lower right hand corner. Apparently just. First of all, the spots on the photo. And finally, as advertised. Now, let's see some examples. The second is Line Removal AI, can help you remove the power lines with click. Also some examples you can see. The third is Portrait Background Removal. With this feature, it can quickly detect and selects the objects in the photo, and then remove the whole background behind the people in your photo, automatically. And you also can see some examples here. Next is Relight AI, which can help you relight backlit photos or darkened images in a click. Here are some examples. The last is Overlay. It uses both MaskAI and Layers. With this feature you can add objects, textures, watermarks, and any other graphics to your images. Some examples here.